better place. We are smart at what we do to make our world a better place. By the help of God, to make our world a better place. By the help of God, to make our world a better place. Smart do.
Good morning, class. I hope you are well. Today we are going to discuss the divisibility test of numbers. So, divisibility test of numbers test, and we are going to start the first one. We're going to start with the divisibility test for 2. So, divisibility test for 2. So, when can you tell a number is divisible by 2? A number is divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is divisible by 2. For example, we are going to give an example. You can be given number 1. So let's look at the examples. Number 1, you can be asked, is 350 divisible? Is 350 divisible by 2? So what are you going to do? First thing is to, can you look the last digit? It is 0. Is 0 divisible by 2? It is divisible by 2, yeah. Because suppose we do 350, we divide by 2, we are going to get 175. So we say that number is divisible by 2. The second one you can be asked, is 4 divisible by 2? Yeah, because 4 is an even number. So we can say 4 divided by 2, and then it is divisible by 2. Because 4, it is an even number. So, number 3, you can be given a number like 371. You observe the last digit, it's not an even number. So we say this number is not divisible by 2. You can say it is not divisible. It is not divisible by 2 because the last number of the last digit is not even. It's not even. So that's when you are being told to get the divisibility test for 2. So that's what you are supposed to know. Identify the last digit. Is it divisible by 2 or is it an even number? You can say it is an even number. So suppose you get the last digit is divisible by 2 or it is an even number, so that number is divisible by 2. So let's go to the next one, divisibility test for 3. Divisibility test for 3. So what are you supposed to do in that divisibility test for 3? So you are going to do the following. You can say divisible test by 3. So the first one, you can say a number is divisible. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. What do I mean? For example, you can be given an example. So for example, you can be given a number like number 1. An example of that question, you can be given like a number like 1257, and then you are being told, is that number divisible by 3? What are you supposed to do? So you can say solution to that question. You can say That number, if it is divisible by 3, and you can do it like this, you take 1 plus 2, the divisibility of 3, plus 2, plus 5, and then plus 7, and then 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 5, it is 8, 8 plus 7, it is what? 8 plus 7 is equals to 15. And then you see, if this number, the sum of your digits, is it divisible by 5? By 3, yeah, because if you divide by 3, it becomes 5. So that number is divisible by 3. So the next example, you can be given a number like, so example 2, you can be given a number like 1,503. So what are you supposed to do? Do the same to what you have done in the example 1. So solution, you can do, you get the sum. So it's 1 plus 5 plus 0 plus 3 is equals to what? 1 plus 5 is equals to 6, 6 plus 0 is equals to 6, then 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. So you get 9. And then is 9 divisible by 3? Yes, because if you divide by 3, it becomes 3. So we say that number, it is divisible by 3 because the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. So in simple terms, you can say a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So that's how you're going to test the divisibility test of 3. The next example, you can be given, number 3, you can be given an example like, let's see the third example. So you can say 4,004. 4,004, and then you have been told, can you get if that number is divisible by 3? So what are you supposed to do? You can use the previous examples. So you take 4, the sum of the digits. So solution to that question, solution is equals to 4 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4. So what are you supposed to get? 4 plus 0 is equals to 4. 4 plus 0 is equals to 4, and then is equals to 8. So is equals to 8. Is 8 divisible by 8? Is 8 divisible by 3? No, because if you divide 8 divided by 3, you're going to get a remainder. So this one you cannot say it's not divisible by 3. So you say, you can write a statement and then you say 4,004 is not divisible. Is not divisible by 3 because it's not divisible by 3 because the sum of its digits is not divisible by 3. So that is an example where you're going to find that number is not divisible by 3 because if you get the sum of those digits, you're going to get 8, and 8 is not divisible by 3. So you say that number, you are writing a statement so that you can get the whole marks. 4,004 is not divisible by 8 because the sum of its digits is not divisible by 3. So another example, and the last one, the others you are going to interact with the questions given below. So the second one, you can be given, what if you have 96? What if you have 96? Is 96 divisible by 3? Yes or no? In mathematics, you are supposed to do the calculation. We mark the calculation, we mark the steps. So what are you supposed to do? Number 1, can you get the sum? So you take 9 plus 6 is equals to what? So this is the solution. You can have the solution. And then 9 plus 6 is equals to what? Is equals to 15. Is 15 divisible by 3? Yes or no? You're supposed to show that. So we divide by 3 and then we get 5. So in statement, so that you can get the whole marks, even here you're supposed to indicate this one. Because for example, you're supposed to say it's divisible by 3, because if you add 1 plus, you get 15. The same you do to this one, and then you write the following statement. So you say 96 is divisible by 3 because the sum of its digits is equal to 15, and 15 is divisible by 3. So that's how you're supposed to do. So that's how you're supposed to do. I hope you have enjoyed the class. I thank you all. Can you interact more in the questions given below? I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Have a good day.